Welcome. My name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to share in this video ebook guide that I wrote last year, which is the simple process that I want my clients to who looking to start their own tax preparation service. So if you're looking to start your own tax preparation service, you've done the research already and you've tried and attempted to follow the instructions and directions and information given, and you find out it's frustrating and it's challenging, it's not easy as you thought it would be, then that's when you might want to consider coaching. Coaching is designed to help you get somewhere much quicker, much faster, and efficient than you ever could do on your own. And so that's why the power of coaching and consulting, mentoring style service-based businesses are so powerful right now. And if you looking to make that happen for yourself, and if you already tried and failed because trying to go charge.gov and do certain aspects of getting that done and trying to navigate on the website to even find the categories you're looking for, then you definitely want to reach out to me. Let's talk, let's connect, see if we'll be a good fit for working with one another. Right now, I'm launching a monthly coaching program that you can invest in for $197 a month, or you can do the one-time payment of $1,300. The choice is yours. And as we talk and get more to knowing each other, I can share with you some other payment options as well. If you're looking to start your own tax preparation business and break it down on what it's going to take for you to be successful, give you some information to educate you on what you'll get from my coaching program, other than what I'm going to show you here in this ebook that I wrote last year. So just to get started, let's just dive right on in. So I brought the ebook up under Adobe, and so this is one version of the book. The version I actually sold was just a black and white copy of this, and I decided to make another version of it. And so this is the second version of the same book I wrote a couple of years ago. And so it's the online courses, tax guide to getting started. And so this is the actual process that I take my clients through. This is the table of contents. We got module one, business setup, including EFIN. The EFIN is the number you need in order to purchase professional software and enroll in third-party banks. And so that EFIN number is the money number that you need to have to be considered a tax service. And so what I left out of this book, I'll be updating my new book with this year, probably this month, it'll be finished, where if you decide to purchase this version of it, you'll get the updated version for no charge. And so the second module is tax software and third-party bank enrollment. So my coaching clients, I help them with what software to get based on their budgets, as well as the recommended software that I use and how to fill out the bank enrollment process. We talk about office supplies, office equipment, office furniture. That's if you're doing a brick and mortar situation versus a virtual tax service from home. We talk about payroll, bookkeeping, and outsourcing options, business insurance tools, and other resources, compliance training, and other streams of income. So those are some of the topics we cover in my coaching program. 7 tech tools that make tax prep less frustrating. We have some fast track bonus offers that we talk about. And so those are the things that my coaching program covers in general, but we go deeper as you grow inside your business, because I specialize and work with new business owners who want to start their own tax service. And so the clients I have now, majority of them are brand new, never done taxes, no prior experience or training, but they chose this business model for some reason. This is a career industry of tax preparation and taxation. So if you're interested in that, definitely reach out to me and let's see if we can be a good fit for connecting and working with one another. And so then I scroll down here. Then, so this information is the information I wrote. I've done an introductory, introducing you to myself and the information. And then as you go further, I went into module one that talks about the process, new project. Then module two, another project, module three, module four, and two. We basically go through the whole ebook. The ebook was originally like 18 to 20 pages. And so that was a guide that people brought from me that gave them the steps needed to set up your tax service. But like I say, doing the research, going to Google, going to YouTube, and typing in the phrase how to start your own tax prep business or your tax prep service, it's the simple part of it. The research is simple. The most difficult, challenging, frustrating part is maneuvering through all the moving pieces on making it happen for yourself. Because I can send you to ours.gov. And when it comes to the business structure, when it comes to the EFIN application, which is known for the e-file providers application, trying to get to that page to even fill it out is challenging. And then on top of that, they added a new process where you have to create a secure account on the ours.gov website just to even create the e-file providers application, which is another challenge for a lot of people because the information they ask for to order to create a secure account on ours.gov is one of several pieces of financial information. So if you got a credit card, student loan, auto loan, mortgage, or line of credit, those will help you be able to create a secure account because the IRS must be able to identify you in order to let you create a secure account. So that's the biggest challenge going forward with a lot of people that uh, find my videos on my YouTube channel is trying to create that secure account. So that's the first step I give them. Go out and create that secure account if you have one of these items on the financial list. And once you get that done, everything else is smooth sailing because once you get past that phase, you open up the door to talking about the business structure. Are you going to go sole proprietor, which is the simplest form of ownership right now, or are you going to incorporate right now? A corporation is a filing fee with the state you live in, so that's extra. Some people depend on your finance. Some just go with the free EIN number doing business as, and some people incorporate right then and there based on, like I said, their financial situation. But either way it go, we talk about that. We get that out the way because that information must go on your e-file provider's application at the time of putting that application in. Then the PTIN is the number we use to sign off on tax returns because back in the day, we used to use our 9-digit social security number on all these tax returns that we were doing. And that became an issue uh, for the tax professionals because they had so many clients that they were preparing. And they had their full 9-digit social on the return along with their name, and that just didn't sit right with them. So ours came up with a system called PTIN, which is Prepared Tax Identification Number, which allows us to no longer use our social. And so, like I said, this coaching program is what I offer as a full service solution to you starting your own tax preparation business, regardless of your skill set, your knowledge, or wherever you're at. As long as you have a true desire to make this business model your own, and the only challenge you're going to face other than trying to maneuver through all the different moving pieces to even set it up is learning the knowledge and skills needed to become a tax service. And so I tell people who have no prior training and knowledge, I send them over some information through an email, let them check it out, the actual information that I use to train with, the actual information I use for my tax preparation course. And if they can understand what they read and if they got a gist of what's really happening, then it's a good chance you can learn the knowledge and skills part. But if you get this information emailed over to you and it's like a foreign language to you, then that's a good chance that this is not the right business model for you. And so you might want to consider something else. And so that's the process I send new people through who have no prior training or experience. And so these here, like I said, it's just an ebook that I wrote myself. It took me about a week to write it because it's based on my experience and the process I walk my clients through. And so this is how simple it is to take what you already got inside of you, sit down, take your time, write it out. I had some people reformat it for me to make it more professional looking than what it looked like when I had it. But the rough draft, I could never sell it that way. I wouldn't want to. So I had some people format it to make it look like it do today. So this here ebook, which I call my fast track to successful, because the fast track portion of it is really based on you having a mentor and a coach who's going to guide you through the process of getting your business set up, going to help you doing actual tax season with the clients that's going to come through your door and help you be able to handle any questions or concerns with those clients because you're new and you're not familiar with it. And so you want a seasoned veteran on your team that's going to help you make that happen. So this here, again, is my guide. I got a website that I sell it on already for $97, and it comes with some other bonuses, which makes it worth the $97 value that I give it. And so if you're interested in purchasing the ebook from my website, then the contact information inside this video, along with the website, can take you there. Other than that, this here PDF version of it as a project on Skillshare is one of the things I'm posting today just to let people know what I'm about and my main flagship program of coaching for people looking to start their own tax preparation business. And if that sounds like you, reach out to me with my contact information. Let's build a relationship and see if we can work together. And I'll definitely see you in my next video.